IELTS Part 31. Reading tips. Before you take this test, there are few reading tips that you need to consider. Well, number one, read as much as you can in English language. Read a variety of topics from a variety of sources. For example, tourist information, brochures, government reports, scientific research reports, health and safety brochures, newspapers, news, special interest magazines, information from colleges and universities. Keep a note. Number 3. Keep a notebook of the words you learn. Try to write these words in a sentence. Try to put these sentences into a paragraph. Number 5. Learn words in context, not from a word list. Don't be afraid to guess meanings. Number 6. Know the types of questions found on the IELTS. Number 7. Know the type of information asked about on the IELTS. Number 8. Know how to make predictions. Number 9. Know how to skim and scan to look quickly for information. During the test, you must consider a few things, and your tip number 1 is read title and any headings first. Make predictions about the topic. Number 2, look over the questions quickly. Make predictions about the content and organization. Number 3, read the passage at a normal speed. Don't get stuck on parts and words you don't understand. When you answer the questions, don't spend too much time on the ones you don't feel sure about. Make a guess and go on. Number 5, after you have answered all the questions, you can go back and check the ones you aren't sure about. Number 6, don't spend more than 20 minutes on each passage. The last passage is longer and more complex than the first two ones. Remember to save time for it. Number 8, be sure to write your answers on the answer sheet before the 60 minutes are up. Well, in fact, I advise that there should be 12 minutes for the first passage and 13 minutes for the second passage, so they together make a total of 25 minutes, and then 25 minutes more for the last passage, which is complex one and larger one and more difficult one. So this becomes 12 plus 13 plus 25, a total of 50 minutes. So 50 minutes for the test, and the other 10 minutes should be for transferring your answer from your reading booklet to your official answer sheet. Be sure to write your answer. Number 8. Be sure to write your answer on answer sheet before the 60 minutes are over. Number 9. If the instructions ask you to use no more than 3 words to complete an answer, do not write more than 3 words. You will lose points. Learn to understand true, false, yes, no questions. They are the most difficult questions on the test. Practice them often so that you will be confident during the test. Well, the most difficult test, I believe, is that of the list of headings. Well, for list of headings, you need to read a paragraph again and again with the right details, and very often students make errors by choosing the list of headings. I'll provide you more understanding and concentration on the list of headings as I get along with it. Sometimes they before in the first passage, on the other occasions they may appear in the second passage or the third passage.